Hi everyone, I'm really happy you're here. Before we begin, take a deep breath, and let's start with a gentle, aesthetic way to introduce yourself in English. Let's begin with something simple and calm. Hi, my name is, and it's lovely to meet you. I'm from, and I carry a piece of my home wherever I go. I'm currently studying/working, exploring new things in life. Say it slowly, gracefully. Your introduction doesn't need to be loud. It just needs to be honest. Now share a little about who you are. I'm someone who believes in growing every day. I love peaceful moments, deep conversations, and small joys. I try to stay curious, open-minded, and grateful. Aesthetic introductions are about vibes, not just details. Speak from your heart. Talk about where you're going. Right now, I'm on a journey of self-improvement. I want to grow, learn new skills, and become the best version of myself. I'm working towards a life that feels meaningful and peaceful. Aesthetic introductions flow like a story, so this is a little about me. I'm still learning, still growing, and still creating my own path. Thank you for being here and listening to my story. Let's continue to grow together. End with a soft smile, calm music, and a slow fade out. Tip 1. Speak slowly. Aesthetic introductions feel soft, not rushed. Tip 2. Use simple words. Clarity is more beautiful than complicated vocabulary. Tip 3. Smile gently. A soft expression creates a warm connection. Tip 4. Add calm background music. It makes your introductions soothing and elegant. Tip 5. Maintain soft visuals, neutral colors, natural lighting. Minimalism equals sign perfect aesthetic. Tip 6. Keep it honest. Aesthetic vibe comes from authenticity, not perfection.